In this video, we are going to discuss about the multiple column. If you see any newspaper, there is a one heading and then the multiple column. If you want to create the multiple column using the CSS, then you can use the column count property. And if you want to define the width of the column, then you can use the column width property. And also you can define the column rule style, column rule width, and then the column rule color. It is just like we have already discussed about the border. So it is just like the border property where you can define the width, color, and then the style. Also, you can even share the shorthand property, that is the CULUMN column, and then the rule. This is the shorthand property where you can define the width and then the style and then the color. And also you can use the colon span property there. So you can see here I have created one file, name is the multiple column, and I have created one div, and inside the div I have created some lorem text, and I have given here the ID name as my div. So first of all, I want to select this my ID from here. At first, I just want to show you the output. You can see here, this is my simple output, and this is only the lorem text. So after that, I want to go here in VS Code, and I want to select here the my div, okay, MID my div. At first, I want to divide the column into the three parts. If I want to divide the column, then I can simply use the column count. And if I type here 3, and if I go to the browser, you can see I got the 3 div here. If I want to change the size of my div, then I can use here another property, that is column width property, CULUMN columns, and then the width. And if I define here column width as 300 pixel, and if I go to here, now this is just the same. But if I increase here to 500 pixel, okay, now you can see here only the two column over here, because first div takes the 500 pixels and then the second div takes 500 pixels. So in this way, you can define the column width also according to your requirement. After that, if I want to style, if I want to give some, the border between the two columns, then I can use another property, that is CULUMN column, and then the rule, and then the style. And if I give here the dashes, dot, or whatever with the name you can use, like the border style, okay. I'm giving here the dash, and I got dash between the two columns. I just want to remove, or I can only give 200 pixel here, so that I got the three column here. So you can see here there is a two style here, and if I want to define the width of this style, then I can write here column rule and then the width. And if I type here if 5 pixel, and if I go to browser, now this size is increased here. Likewise, if I want to define here column and then the style rule, column rule, and if I want to give the color also, if I give the brown color here, I got the brown color here. So if I want to use all three things into one, then also we can use it here by excluding the shorten property of the only using the column rule. And if I type here 1 pixel, solid red. And if I go to here, now I got the 1 pixel solid red partition here. So if I want to use the header property here, then I can write here S2 and H3 and heading. And if I go to here in the browser, now this heading is also inside the column. But actually we want heading at the top. We can get the heading at the top by using the column span property. So I have to type here S2. And if I type here the column and then the span, and if I give here the value as all, then I can go here. Now I got this heading at the top. In this way, you can use the different column property, column property, like the column rule width, column rule color, column rule, column span, and many more things. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so very much.